Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to set up your NETGEAR EX7000 AC1900 Wi-Fi range extender using both the WPS method and the manual setup. Method 1. WPS Setup, Quick Method. Step 1. Power on the EX7000. Plug in the extender and wait for the power LED to turn solid green. Step 2. Press WPS on extender and router. Press the WPS button on your EX7000. Within 2 minutes, press the WPS button on your router. Once the extender and the router make the WPS connection, the extender's WPS LED light will turn solid green. Step 3. Placement. Place the extender halfway between the router and the area with poor Wi-Fi. The permanent location of the extender still needs to be in the range of the router so it can receive a signal. Method 2. Web browser setup, manual method. Step 1. Connect to EX7000 Wi-Fi. On your phone, laptop, connect to NETGEAR EX7000. Step 2. Open the setup page. Navigate to https://www.mywifiext.net on your computer. This opens the installation assistant in your web browser. This step will only work properly if you're connected to the NETGEAR EX7000 wireless network. Step 3. Select your wireless networks and click Next. If your router supports both 2 GHz and 5 GHz, you can select both bands, one in each column. Step 4. Login. Enter your wireless network password and click Next. This is the password you use when connecting a computer, phone, tablet, or accessory to Wi-Fi. Step 5. Complete setup. Click Continue to complete the setup. You can now close your browser window. Step 6. Placement. Place the extender halfway between the router and the area with poor Wi-Fi. The permanent location of the extender still needs to be in the range of the router so it can receive a signal. For instant help call 1-803-381-0141. Thanks for watching. If this EX7000 setup guide helped you, make sure to like the video, drop a comment, and subscribe for more Wi-Fi setup tutorials. See you in the next one.